Welcome to the video. We have been given a trigonometric equation that relates sine and cos of an arbitrary angle theta in some way that is given sine theta plus root 3 cos theta equals 2. So the goal is to find the value of theta and then to find the value of this expression tan theta plus cot theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So let's generalize this result. If you are given, so let's find out a general result. If you have an equation that is a sine theta plus b cos theta equals something, we are particularly interested in this expression, that is the a sine theta plus b cos theta. Now the coefficient of sine theta is a and the coefficient of cos theta is b. So the idea is that we can convert this expression completely into a sine of an angle and or cosine or cos of an angle. So how do we do this? So let's say that we imagine a triangle with let's say theta is here and a is here and b is here, and so the hypotenuse will be root a square plus b square. We want to use the formula of sine a plus b or cos a plus b respectively. So what we do, that we convert these a and b into sines or cos of some angle. So what we did, that we imagine a triangle with theta here and a and b as its sides and root a square plus b square as hypotenuse. So as you can see that if I were to say that cos theta of cos theta will be b over root a square plus b square, and the sin theta will be simply a over root a square plus b square. So that gives us a hint in this direction. So what we do, that we make this cos theta and sin theta, let's change, because theta is the variable, so let's take some other variable. So let's say that this is alpha. Because this is some other angle. So what we can do, that we can divide by root a square plus b square and multiply simultaneously. The expression remains intact. And the key is to notice here that a over root a square plus b square is the sine of some angle alpha, and b over root a square plus b square is cos of some angle alpha, and we have this root a square plus the b square. Now see, cos a cos b plus the sin a sin b, that is cos a minus b. So we have succeeded into converting this expression a sin theta plus b cos theta completely into the terms of a single trigonometric function, that is cos. So let's say that this root a square plus b square is r. So yeah, so we can write this result as result 1. If you are given a cos theta plus b sin theta, you can simply write it as r cos theta minus alpha, where r is root a square plus b square that is square root over the squares of the coefficient of cos theta and sin theta, and alpha. So we have to find alpha now. So what we do that we divide this cos alpha and sin alpha. So you divide this cos alpha and sin alpha, uh, you divide this cos alpha and sin alpha, so you get you will get so we were given cos alpha b over root a square b square. Let me write it again for your convenience. Cos alpha was b over and sin alpha was, actually if you know the values of a and b, you can find the value of alpha by putting the values of a and b, but let's simplify it. Let's convert it to 10 by dividing these. So it converts to 10 alpha equals a by b, and alpha will be tan inverse of a by b. So both are equivalent. It is just saying that on which value of the angle alpha tangent function takes the value a by b. So on which value of alpha tangent function takes the value a by b. So let's go back to the result. Result 1 was that a cos theta will be sin theta can be converted into r cos theta minus alpha, where r is nothing but root a square plus b square, and alpha can be obtained by tan inverse coefficient of sine and coefficient of cos. It is very easy to remember this because you know it is tan inverse na. So because tan is sine over cos, so you can remember this as alpha is tan inverse, so tan is like sine over cos, so coefficient of sine and coefficient of cos. So let's apply this the result to our question. Our question was sin theta plus root 3 cos theta equals 2. The question was sin theta plus root 3 cos theta equals 2. So here you can see that the value of coefficient of cos is root 3, that is a, and coefficient of sin theta is 1. So find the r, that is root 3 plus 1, that is 2, and alpha, that is tan inverse coefficient of sine, that is 1, coefficient of cos, that is root 3, that is just 30 degrees. I am taking the principal value. So if we take the principal value, alpha comes out to be 30 degrees. So tan takes the value 1 by root 3 when alpha is 30. So convert it. So this expression can be written as 2 cos theta minus 30 is 2. So cancel the 2's out, and cos of something becomes 1 when the angle inside cos is 0. So theta comes out to be 30, and now we put the values in the desired expression.